look at the foam roller, since a lot of you have it. Today, I'm just going to be foam rolling the back. And when I say the back, I mean from the mid-back up to your shoulders. The reason is we have no protection back here, and that is our kidneys. Kidneys don't need to be rolled, only muscles. So organs aren't rolled, but muscles are. A couple of negations to foam rolling if you're on high blood pressure medicine or if you're pregnant. Those are two big reasons to not foam roll. The other is diabetic. If you have neuropathy, we need to talk to your doctor about that. The reason is because of the compression of your body against the foam roller. Foam rollers come in different densities, so you can start light. If you feel that massages are hard, you would start with a light foam roller. So otherwise, those of you that have a foam roller, grab it, because what we're going to do is we're going to foam roll the back up to the shoulders. This also works your core. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay to where your bra strap would be. Guys, guess at where a bra strap would be, okay? I mean, above the kidneys. Let's go there. You're going to put your knees ready, bent for bridges. You're going to support your head and neck with your arms, and what you're going to do is you're going to bridge up and you're going to foam roll towards your head. As you roll towards your head, the more that you bridge, the more you're going to hit your traps. What we did earlier with the bar, you're going to get that foam roller into those traps more where we hold our tension. So again, heels down, toes up, start bridging, then squeeze and bring that foam roller up to your head and kind of roll on those traps and come back down. Let's do it one more time. Big inhale. Exhale, come up. Roll into those traps. As big a bridge as you can. Squeeze, squeeze, and that's going to help bring those traps in underneath that foam roller. More foam rolling to come. Go rest and recover.